Let's see what low gives us. And low. Woo! Yes! Dude! Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we are tuning clutch kit on the wife's 500 trail. Now, what I think, because I've been playing with everything that I could play with, and what I think we need to do, these are 12-gram weights. What I'm thinking we need to do is pair the 12-gram weights with this 1200 spring and this this shim. So that's what I'm thinking we need to do. So let's get to doing that. All right, so hopefully you guys can see everything that I'm doing here. And remember, these clutch bolts on the trail block clutches are lefty-tighty, righty-loosey, so they are backwards. And I know I've said it a bunch of times, and I'm gonna say it again. You're gonna need an 18 for this. And you're gonna need a 30 millimeter for the big one. But we have to remember, before we take this one off, where our clutch was marked at. So that's where she was. Just wanted to remember that because I marked my clutch. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pull that off. Okay, just like so. We're gonna go ahead and pull this stock spring out of here. So I was testing with the stock spring, and then I was also testing with the 950 spring, which is way too soft. So we'll get our 1 millimeter shim here. Gotta have the shim in there. Put it in there. Put that in there. Okay. Now, so guys, this is real easy to do. And we've got our new weights. All right, guys, so we got all them in. Let's go put that sucker back together. I'm just gonna drop them in there like so. Remember, lefty tighty, righty loosey. And it don't take much with the Ugga Dugga gun. Always start this by hand first, then lefty tighty. It's gonna push through. There we go. Now we're gonna get this buggy warmed up and we're gonna go for a ride, guys. All right, guys. So hopefully this is the last test. We got our RPMs pulled up. I hope you can see that. Wow, wow, that is smooth. Look at this, check this out. She engages at 2100. Oh yes, oh yes. Hell yes. Oh, I hope this is the answer. I hope this is the answer. Man, let's see. Oh my God. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see what she do. Let's see what she does. Oh, hell yes. Let's see. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Woo, buddy. Oh, yes. Let's see what she do. Oh yeah, listen guys, okay, so I think I'm gonna have to clock back the secondary if I want to get it faster than 41 mile an hour. She's topping out right now at 41 mile an hour. This is nuts. This would be fine for the road. So, or not the road, the trail. But honestly, it would be fine for the road too. So I think I might have to clock back at secondary and see what she wrote. So probably do that real quick. But let's give her one more run. Oh, she's a monster. She's a monster. Oh yes. Now this is with 28-inch tires. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Let's do her. Let's do her up. Oh yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Hell yes. Let's go cruise with it. Let's go cruise with it and see what the RPMs are. $6,000 for 30 mile an hour. $6,000, 30 mile an hour. So, okay. I think we're gonna take the secondary back to stock, or we're gonna clock it to A1. Oh yeah, but then yeah. So this kit and B2 is awesome for the woods. Yes, it will be awesome. And see what she do. We got to throw it low in the yard and see what she do. We got to. We got to. Oh man! Woo! Yes! Yes, baby! Yes! Oh yes! 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 I'll check my belt temps real quick with my hands and just see how hot they are. Whew! Yes! Let's see. Oh, dude, I can touch it. I can. Yes! That's good. That's good. That's good. Sweet. I'm gonna clock that and I'll discuss about it here in a minute. All right, guys. So we did some clocking and testing some stuff, and there goes a cop, so we're gonna have to hang out a minute. Or we'll just go the other damn way. Oh, it's so smooth taking off forward. Reverse not so much, but forward. So let's go. Oh, it's so smooth. It's so smooth. there's a cop behind us. I think so. Pretty sure. Going?
Yeah.
Whew. Well, I think we got her dialed in about as good as we're gonna get it with these 28s.
Yep.
So I figure why push our luck out there?
Yeah, exactly.
But you're not gonna get much more than that out of it. It's real peppy, and I mean, I think on a longer road, when you're able to cruise, you'll be able to maintain that 50-mile-an-hour mark. Because I know before, when it was stock, 55 was like it. So technically we're only losing, depending upon the terrain, 5 to 15 miles an hour. So I got it reclocked to A1, which is helping it shift out better and keeping them RPMs a little bit lower for cruising the road. So I think it's gonna be as good as we're gonna get it. And you gotta get ready for work.
I gotta get ready.
I'm gonna cruise over to Nick's house. If a cop gets me, he gets me. I'm gonna run over to Nick's, he was calling, so I'll see what I can do over there. We'll just cruise with it. Don't worry about me, it's only a ticket. So guys, let's go over to my buddy Nick's house, and we're just gonna cruise with it and see where we're at. She's got a lot more get up, that's good. I mean, what more do you want from a CFMOTO ZForce 500 running 28-inch tires? All right. I don't even know if he's home. If he's home. He's not home. He's not home, guys. Let's go see what we can get out of this thing. Out here playing around. Let's see what low gives us. Oh shit! Yes! Wow, she's a launcher in low. Woo! Yes! Dude! Wow, she woke up in low, so yeah, it should be fine. Should be fine, guys. guys, so we're back from testing clutch kits. Here's the deal. We're running a ZForce 500. It's not a powerhouse, and it's not gonna be, but it's a great machine. It's gonna get the job done. So what I've came up with is 12 gram weights, 12 gram weights with a 200, 1200 spring. Engagement is very nice. It's at 2100 RPM. It's very smooth and forward. Reverse is a little on the jerky side. I don't know why, but it is. But reverse don't bother me as much. It still feels the same in reverse from like stock. Going forward is very, very buttery smooth. So there's that going for us. We're turning 28s. And remember, I tune my kits for optimum performance, but to keep as much top speed as you need. So here's the deal. If you don't care about being able to do 50 miles an hour, remember, we're in a ZForce 500. The thing barely did 55 stock. My wife got it to 60 once, or 62. I got it to like 60 once. But that was like all out, all in. I'm sure it would still do that in the same manner. Takes forever to get there. But she's able to do 41 to 50 miles an hour now, but with more power, more punch, and it gets there faster. So that's a plus side. But those of you who are running the road and you got 28-inch tires and you want to get some low end, what I recommend for you is 12 gram weights, 200, 1200 spring, and Current RV will be selling my specific kits for the machines here soon, very soon. So stay tuned, guys. If you're running 28s and you just want nothing but power out of this thing, and this will go for your CForce 500 and 600 and 400 as well, clock it to B2. Even if you got stock tires, it'll be even more of an animal with stock tires. Now, mind you, that 60 miles an hour that we were talking about was all stock. That was with the stock tires. When you add bigger tires, you end up using more power and this and that. But anyway, she is an animal now and getting more power to the ground, guys, with the 28s. She is not afraid to spin them suckers now. She would not do that stock. No way, no how, shape, or form. So now my wife will be able to keep up with us in the trails, no problem. She'll have that power she needs, and she won't have to worry about spinning belts and burning up clutches like she was doing with the stock clutch. So she went through like 2 belts with the stock clutch with the 28s. But now, dude, the thing locks and grabs. It's so nice. All right, guys. I hope you guys like this video. I hope that you're ready for the ZForce 500 clutch kits coming soon to you, to Current RV. I've been testing for about a week now. Finally got the last piece of the puzzle. Put it in there, dialed it in. So one more time, guys, one more time. If you want to keep the absolute most top speed, either A, leave the secondary stock, or B, clock it to A1. You could even clock it to C1 if you wanted to give you a little bit more oomph down low. But I tune my kits so the machine performs in the trails in low range and performs on the street and on the back roads in high range. That's the purpose of my kits. If you don't care about top speed, clock it to B2 and use this kit, primary kit. So that's that. That's the answer. All right, guys. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.